Hey guys, I'm Alex, and in this YouTube quick tip, I'll show you how to add video chapters to your scrubber bar on your videos to help your audience zero in and find exactly what they're looking for quickly and easily. Let's head over to the computer and get started. All right, so I have one of my tutorial videos pulled up, and you'll notice at the bottom here in the scrubber bar, you'll see the video chapters as little partitions in this timeline with little subheadings that are relevant to the content. To do this, it's really simple. All you're going to do is you're going to go to your video editor in YouTube Studio. So we'll go over to videos, we'll pick this video, and in the description section, you're going to actually add those timestamps. Now, when you add the timestamps to the description section, it's going to add the video chapters automatically. So you'll notice here, I have the timestamp, and then I have a brief description of what that timestamp represents. And once you enter that, again, it'll just automatically populate as a video chapter for your video. That's all there is to it. And if you have any questions or you want to see anything else on the channel, feel free to let me know. Thanks.